What is up, all you beautiful people? Welcome back for another cryptocurrency news article read through. This one's coming from Cointelegraph, happened a couple of days ago, but you don't want to miss it because Tether mints another $1 billion. Last time it helped Bitcoin climb to 73,000. Can it do it again? But Bitcoin has flipped its old resistance into support as USDT's market cap continues to grow rapidly in 2024. I remember hearing this news when Ivan actually on tech. If you don't watch Ivan on tech, I would recommend listening to. He's fun to listen to, very smart, actually a programmer and a coder, not just an influencer. So I take what he says very seriously. Here, listen to what he says here.
This is the key, that when you look through history, so for example, we had a massive bull market here in 2020 and 2021, and then as long as it went up, it was the signal to be bullish. As soon as it started to go down severely, the market cap, basically that Tether is being redeemed and you have burns, this is where you got to be careful. And this is where the bull market really took its toll on this whole community, you can say. Many people got so wrecked, they got fully out of the market and they never returned, which is a shame. It's a real shame when people are in crypto and then they get crushed by the bear market because they don't know how to read the signals that the bull market is over. It's really sad, but I know you guys have persevered, and that's why we're all here together today. And so then what happened? As soon as they start printing, it's bullish. And that's why also we've been so bullish since the start of 2023 for two reasons. The reason number one is that the bullish trend. You see here, it started on the chart very clearly at the start of 2023. But number two, we also had Tether printing along the way. Always along the way they were printing. And that gave us the second confidence, the checkbox that you fill in basically in the.
So you're saying like these are the checkmark and the indicators that you want to pay attention to so you do not get wrecked. So when we hear news that Tether printed $1 billion worth of tokens coming in, it kind of makes you a little bit bullish. So yes, now you saw that, let's go through this actual news article read through so you can get the facts on what they did. So here we go. Tether's USDT, the world's largest stablecoin, has minted another $1 billion, bringing its market capitalization above $110 billion, which could catalyze Bitcoin's next move to new all-time highs. Now, will more USDT boost Bitcoin's price? Well, Tether's treasury has minted $1 billion worth of USDT during the past 24 hours, bringing its yearly total to $31 billion. Now, this was on May 17th, so this was on Friday when this happened. The newly minted USD was a big reason why Bitcoin's price climbed from the 27 to 73, according to a post from on-chain data. So as they're looking at that, it really did help. But Tether could also directly contribute to Bitcoin's rally. The company said it would invest 15% of its net profit in Bitcoin to diversify the stablecoin's backing assets. Now, Tether acquired 8,888 Bitcoin on March 31st, worth $618 million, making the stablecoin issuer the seventh largest Bitcoin holder in the world. Now, according to BitInfo charts, Tether wallet currently holds over 78,317 Bitcoin, which is a lot, which is worth $5.18 billion 1 year after announcing its plans to diversify into Bitcoin. And here's that chart we pretty much seen Ivan show. It's like when they printed it took us all the way there. But yeah. But meanwhile, Bitcoin's price action is still largely dependent on institutional inflows into spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. The United States Bitcoin ETF saw their second week of net positive outflows, amassing over $200 million worth of cumulative net flows so far, according to Dune. Here's that chart from that. Now, institutional inflows from ETFs were a significant part of the current Bitcoin rally to new all-time highs. By February 15th, Bitcoin's ETFs accounted for about 75% of new investments in the world's largest cryptocurrency as it surpassed the 50,000 mark. But again, for these ETFs, like Grayscale and all those ones, they say they have, it kind of says they have it on their balance sheet, but they don't really hold the Bitcoin. These guys do. So when China and Hong Kong release their ETFs, it's kind of a big game changer to these guys because those guys can pull out Bitcoin from the ETFs. Americans who invest in this, they can't. They get cash. So maybe they need to change that. But again, it's crazy that 75% of investments are getting put into it. But let's take a look at the next part of this article. The Bitcoin breakout confirmed from the daily chart. Bitcoin's price action has confirmed May 16th's breakout on the daily chart, where the $65,000 mark seems to act as a strong support for Bitcoin. Yeah, because we've been at the support line. I do not know how to read these guys. I'm just looking at the charts, like where they say it, and 60, like when you just look at it, it's like we've been hovering here, but this is the halving cycle. We go sideways after the halving happens. So if you won't believe this chart's going in, but that's just me saying that. But another bullish sign for investors is that Bitcoin has flipped its old resistance and support on the monthly chart, according to a May 16th X post by the popular crypto analyst Rect Capital. However, Bitcoin could still see a temporary correction to below 63,500 before reclaiming the $7,000 mark, which is a psychological mark out there. Now, this is according to artificial intelligence, so AI, based predictions algorithms of Scorehood AI, which wrote in May, now is the time for a temporary pullback to around 63.5 for Bitcoin, has reclaimed 65. It's on the way. And then let's see, a Bitcoin correction below 63 is what it said. And yeah, guys, just be careful on AI. But no, that's it. Yeah, my opinion on when it comes to AI, predictions, I don't listen to it. It's like I see an article, oh, AI predicts this, or you go to ChatGPT, what's Ripple going to do? It's like, it's not a real analysis. It's like, what's the new, the base thing to do is like I said, I'm not a price analysis guy. I look at the technical analysis. Oh, we got double head and shoulders, or this looks like this. I don't do that. I just follow the news. And again, they correlate with each other. When people see those little signs, on my eyes, I'm going, hey, what happened to the news that day? Oh, Bitcoin did this. This happened over here in this country. It's like the news plays a role in the price. So instead of me trying to predict it, I just like to hear the news and make a decision and action on that. But yeah, no, I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now. So get it while you still can, because we may see some up movements this next week because of this, but we'll see again. But I hope you enjoyed the read through. And if so, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.